Spotting a liar can be a challenging yet crucial skill in navigating personal and professional relationships. Understanding the common signs of deceit can help you assess the truthfulness of what someone is saying. While no single indicator is foolproof, recognizing a combination of behaviors can give you a clearer picture of the situation. One of the most common signs of lying is inconsistent body language. Genuine communication often includes aligning verbal messages with nonverbal signals. If someone's physical cues, like their facial expressions, gestures, or posture, do not match what they are saying, it can indicate deception. For instance, a person might verbally express confidence while simultaneously avoiding eye contact or crossing their arms defensively. These disconnects can reveal underlying discomfort or dishonesty. Another key factor to consider is the level of detail in their story. Liars sometimes tend to over-elaborate or provide excessive information that isn't asked for, attempting to seem credible. Alternatively, they might provide too little detail, avoiding specifics to prevent inconsistencies. Pay attention to how someone responds when asked follow-up questions. If they struggle to provide coherent answers or change their story, it's a potential red flag. Additionally, listen to the person's tone of voice and speech patterns. A liar may exhibit noticeable changes in pitch, speed, or volume when communicating. For example, people who are fabricating information might speak quickly due to nervousness, or conversely, may hesitate and drag out their words as they try to concoct a believable story. Changes in these vocal characteristics can often indicate that a person is not being truthful. Lastly, observe their reactions and emotional responses. Liars may display inappropriate or exaggerated emotions in an effort to convince you of their honesty. A typical response might include nervous laughter or anger when questioned, which can betray their underlying anxiety. Additionally, a lack of genuine emotion can also be telling. If someone seems unfazed when recounting something serious, it may indicate they are not being forthcoming. In conclusion, while there's no guaranteed way to detect a liar, being aware of body language, detail inconsistency, vocal changes, and emotional responses can greatly enhance your ability to spot deception. Trust your instincts and combine these observation techniques to create a fuller understanding of the truth in your interactions.